Hi, my name is Gareth. I'm the senior sous chef at Wagamama Gunwharf Quays. Today I'm going to show you how to make firecracker chicken. Firecracker chicken is one of our spiciest dishes that Wagamama produced. It contains 3 different kinds of chilies. It's perfect dish during winter time because it keeps everybody warm, and it's perfect dish also in the summer because it goes nice with a nicer cold beer. It has a lot of flavor and it's a very exciting dish with all the garlic and the ginger, firecracker sauce as well, and it also has the crunchiness of all the vegetables like peppers and onions. I highly recommend you to come to Wagamama Gunwharf Quays to try our firecracker chicken.